Goku Super Saiyan Blue 3. I did not know this was a thing. I don't think it's canon. I think it could just be like in video games. But it looks pretty slick. So, I'm in the landscape page, use a pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. We're going to do the hair, right? So, in order to fit the hair in, we've got to put his face over on the right side, okay? So, center point of my page is about here. Come down, over to the right. Face is like right over here. So, we got to do this frown. Yeah, so basically his big frowning, no eyebrow eye. Okay. So eye in under there. So we just do diagonal line, small there, and then a longer one here. And then you just join those together with a curved line. And then his iris and his pupil, big blue eyes, iris, pupil, half circle, black, coming down from the eyebrow. And then we have like eyebrow lines, frowning sort of lines, wrinkles. So we got like another sort of bumping frown line there, and then the eyebrow on the other side, the bald eyebrow, comes around like so. Comes up around to there, and then you'll have some of those frown lines like so. And then his eye, so we have like a real teeny line there, diagonal long line there, and then we join those together with a curve. And then his big blue iris there, and the pupil looking up. From underneath, like that. So, nose, we're in 3/4 pose, so the nose kind of sticks out here. And then it'll go back in, real pointy. And then we just have the kind of the shadow underneath, just there. And then his mouth really close to the nose. Comes down, flat across, and then down the back. Then a bit of a shadow underneath his bottom lip. And he's got like a cheek line there. Then we have those hatching lines underneath the eyes. And another like so. And then his chin there. Because we're in 3/4 pose, we can see the jaw on this side and the cheek on this side. So the jaw just goes up like so. Change direction just about mouth level. There. And then on this side, we're slightly different, right? So we got to go out for the cheek, meet this point about in line with the nose, and then curve again out to the eyebrow. Okay. His ear then, big ears in Dragon Ball, and like so. Ear lines inside. Easiest way to start is this letter J shape. And then we have some bumps in the ears. Sideburn is at the top of the ear, just beside the eyebrow. It's like a little spike. And then we have some sideburn hairlines there. So his hairline, right? So the center line for the head is here. So you've got a kind of a V. Let's say here. there, because this is the curve for the middle of his face. And then this will just join his forehead like that. And then we have a hair spike coming out, down across his face, back up, back into the front. And then we just finish this line in there and add some texture. Rest of his hairline comes out the side of that hair spike, down. And then I think like brow line just going that way. Do, 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 do. Okay. I do like the look of Super Saiyan 3. It's pretty cool. I think it's the no eyebrows. So we're all hair, okay? So, sorry, my mic fell off. So we're all hair. So, and it kind of all goes down behind his back. So we'll do, what do we do? What do we do, guys? We'll get like his neck and show. We'll do his anatomy first. So like his neck comes down here. Front of his neck goes down there. You have a neck muscle that comes down from the earlobe going that way. In here, and then maybe like an Adam's apple. And then the center line for his chest is here. So you got a chest muscle going that way. Like another little bump there. Chest muscle going that way, another little bump there. Another neck muscle line there. And then, so clothing. So we got like his t-shirt. Going down this way. Okay, and then like his clothing sort of bumps all down here. So it's all just like 3/4 pose, just gone down here. And then his kimono, so like the back of his neck, his gi, should I say, not kimono. The orange part goes that way. Another bump going that way. And then like some fold lines on the blue part of his shirt. Here, some hatching. And then his gi comes out around his shoulder. Then we have the blue part. So it goes. So then, like so. And then the blue part comes out this way. This part of his shirt comes down. Like so. And then his shoulder comes out from here. Bicep, sort of there. Shoulder muscle lines. Tricep there. So now we can get all that hair in, I think. So we have a hair spike coming out from the front of his face. And then here as well. And then we start to go up and around. So, a different pen for this one. So, So you're just spiking around for the first layer, right? They're like big shark fins, right? So they're kind of ridiculously big. And then we go back to there. And then we start to add layers of them. Here. There. Where does that one go now? So like there. Okay, so that's like the first layer. 3 more, I'd say. 3 more layers probably. Well, maybe more than that. So we'll go this way. So some of them get really big. That's going to eventually go all the way down. So like that. And then yummy, another one here. And then this one goes off the page that way. So then texture lines all over. So you'll just start adding sort of texture lines to the hair, right? So you'll just go like follow each hair spike with these curved lines. And I'll just do that on all of them here. Like that. And that's it. Oh wait. There. Now that's it. Goku Super Saiyan 3 Blue. Hope it's helpful. Of course, that could be just Super Saiyan 3. Any color hair. So, say you draw Super Saiyan 3 anyway, and then you can color it blue, which I'm about to do. Bye.